Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Enosys token. Ticker symbol is HLN. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a central exchange called Bitrue. So if you're looking for to get this token very soon, it was just announced on Bitrue's Twitter. The tweet here says, new listing, the HLN token is coming soon to Bitrue spot trading. And if you follow their Twitter at Bitrue Official, in the next couple days they will announce when this token will be listed on Bitrue. It says trading starts soon, and it also says stay tuned for more exclusive events. So they might have trading events as well. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Bitrue account, I do have a Bitrue referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. So basically all you'd have to do to get this token when it gets listed on there is simply go right through that Bitrue referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search HLN, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token has a web page, Enosys.global. You can go over there. There's all the information about what Enosys is over there in case you haven't heard of it before. They also have a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter right here in the corner of the screen so you guys can easily find that. And that is at, let's see here, at Enosys_global. It says formerly FLR Finance. So I believe I did do a video a long time ago on FLR Finance. I think the full name is Flare. Maybe not. FLR. Okay, so yeah, maybe I did. Maybe it's been a while anyways, but maybe I have done a video a long time ago on FLR Finance. You might be able to find that, but this is formerly FLR Finance. Enosys pioneers research and development in blockchain technology. It says, from the creators of Flare, Scan, and DeFi oracles. So you can click on those on their Twitter there and go check out those Twitters as well. They also have a flow page /Enosys, as you can see right there. And that is basically a link tree. So when you click on that, there's all sorts of different things that are going to pop up. They have 106,000 Twitter followers. So it's a very well-established project. Now, when you click on their link tree there, you will find the Enosys website, FLR Finance white paper, Enosys on Twitter, Enosys on Telegram, Medium articles, Discord, and Flare Finance on Everpedia, which is probably like a similar to Wikipedia type of page, a wiki. So their Twitter has a lot of followers. Their Telegram only has 6,459 followers, so their Telegram is not as popular. Now, the Medium articles, there's tokenomics on here. It says Enosys tokenomics. You can click on that. And this may be about the HLN token. There's different tokens here. Okay, so the short name for this token is the Helion token. or the full name, I should say, is the Helion token, Helion, ticker symbol HLN, and it's the ecosystem secondary governance token. It has a variety of use cases, but mainly serves as a secondary governance token under APSIS. Its use cases include, but are not limited to, replacing exchange fees on the Enosys decentralized exchange, secondary governance under the APS token, voting on new tokens listing on the Enosys decentralized exchange, voting on new trading pairs, staking on the Enosys farm, participating in liquidity pools, participating in launch pads, replacing fees on the Enosys bridge, providing it as collateral for loans on Enosys loans, providing it as coverage on Enosys Mutual, and use it in order to trade NFTs in the Enosys gallery. So as you can see, this token has a lot of use cases. So the Helion token has a total supply of 150 million tokens. And it's built on the Flare network, it says here, within the Enosys ecosystem and beyond. And then they have a token supply schedule, basically an emission schedule. How it's split up here, we got 20% of these tokens going to community airdrops, 31.93% going to the APY cloud for governance staking rewards, 17% foundation, 15% investors, 15% operating expenses, 0.67% goes to DFLR holders, and then we got 0.4% going to loans and stakers. So there's community airdrops. There's all sorts of different airdrops you can get involved with. You can check all these out on their Medium articles, which is linked on their link tree there on their Twitter. But Enosys, it says, unlock the power of secure blockchain transactions. Enosys pioneers research and development in blockchain technology, offering a suite of innovative products for seamless access to various applications across multiple chains. From the Flare network to the multi-chain landscape, we empower blockchain communities worldwide. So I do remember doing videos on the Flare network before, so there probably exists some videos on my channel that are in the same realm as this project, but I have not done a video specifically on the use cases for the secondary governance token, this HLN token. So this is brand new information anyway. So seamless decentralized transactions, providing a gate to seamless and easy usage of blockchain services for all decentralized transactions. So Enosys is embracing privacy and self-custody, a world where the advantages of blockchain technology are at the fingertips of everyone, valuing the freedom that is given by decentralization, privacy, and self-custody. So it's got security, transparency, proximity, and academia. Academia. Then they have tons of socials listed on here. So you can go over to Enosys.global. There's tons of info here. Like they've done 4.5 million swaps on their DEX. 94,000 NFT trades are open. 12.4 million total value locked. They have the DEX, the loans, the farms, the bridge, governance, NFT suite, infrastructure, APY cloud. They've been seen in tons of different news articles. There's blog articles. There's so much information. Go check it out. Just click on that link tree there that's on their Twitter, or go to Enosys.global and check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Bitrue one where this token is about to be listed. Leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about the HLN token? And like this video and subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.